Hey there. All right. So, do you need a training platform? Should you have one? Absolutely, yes. And so, in a lot of cases, the answer is obvious. If you are a coach, if you are a mentor, then of course you're going to need some sort of training platform, unless you like repeating yourself over and over. Of course, and that's one of the reasons that we do these videos because we can produce it once and then you get the information on your time schedule whenever you want it. All right. So, within the system, you can create any sort of training platform. So I have one for agents here, how to price a house. I've got one for a home buyer guide. So this is basically, this can be your buyer consult, and you can post all of the kind of, I won't say boring stuff, but the things that the buyer has to know in order to buy a house confidently and comfortably so that you can focus on the fun things like what do they want, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, and that level of information. So we've posted all the buyer guide stuff here, the technical things that they need to know so that we can have fun when we are sitting with them in the office or in the car. Over here, how do you price a house? Ninja tools and strategies. These are things for agents, all right? And so if we jump in over here, we can look at one of the training courses. In fact, let me go back for just a second, and I'm going to click on how to price a house and do a value estimate. So all you do is you just basically pop in here, give it a headline, upload your video. I'm going to say how to download an area market surveys is what this is called in our particular MLS here. And I just upload it. Now, the beauty of this is if I'm doing this on YouTube, for example, everybody in the world is going to be able to see the content that I'm posting on YouTube. So this is a way for you to kind of post your secret sauce to other agents or people within your organization without giving it away to your possible competitor down the street. A few use cases for this, in addition to your buyers and sellers kind of having their on-demand seminars, you can post this for your virtual assistant, your in-person assistant. In most cases, anyone on your staff that you hire is going to be doing some level of repetitive activities. And of course, we all know that people come and go. And so if, or maybe people don't even stay after a short period of time. So instead of trying to spend all that extra time teaching and training and teaching and training, pop it up here. It becomes a great resource. Your staff is going to be super happy that they can jump in here and see it anytime. And you'll be happy because you're going to be saving loads and loads of time. This how to price a house and build a CMA. If I was going to walk an agent through this, it's probably going to take me maybe an hour or more, depending on how quick he or she is. So this is just a really efficient way to save critical information. You can basically put your operations manual up here. And one of the neat things is that when you give access to these training modules, I'm going to pop over. This is what it looks like, how to price a house. And so this is what your agent would see. We'll just kind of cruise up here so you can kind of see, you can have your instructor here who's super handsome and super qualified. And then of course, all of the different training modules. Now, as they go through the training modules, you're going to be able to see exactly what they've completed. So if your admin says, yeah, I went through and I did this and that, we'll just pop in the system, because if you're getting a lot of questions and you find out that the person is not watching the videos, well, maybe that's not the right person, but that's going to be up for you to decide. I just hope that this is super helpful. I think that online training is absolutely the way to go, especially if you're working with virtual assistants or new agents. And best of all, you can track their progress and, of course, have a gate basically so that you're not sharing all of your secret sauce with your competition. I really hope this is helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.